gonna go, I'm gonna show you how this Italian amor is gonna love you harder than ever before. You will like it. We're gonna get sky high and create a new world where somebody might die but nobody gets hurt. And if it sounds good for you, baby, just say the word. You will like it. It's 5 AM, we feel so good, it's almost frightening. It's 5 AM, I'm made for you, we can't deny it. Meet me there where it never closes. Meet me there where it's never hopeless. All things fair in love. Oh, honey, are you coming? Meet me there where it never closes. Meet me there, I'll give you roses. All things fair in love. Oh, honey, are you coming? Before I found this place, I was feeling so blue, but then it turned me out. Let it do it to you. It's not a one-night stand if it turns into two. Oh, I like it. It's 5 AM, we feel so good, it's almost frightening. Let's try again. I don't deserve you, you're a diamond. Meet me there where it never closes. Meet me there where it's never hopeless. Always fair in love. Oh, honey, are you coming? Meet me there where it never closes. Meet me there, I'll give you roses. Always fair in love. Oh, honey, are you coming? Honey, are you coming?
Just come outside for the night. Take your time, get your life. Shut it down. The career's more at stake when you in your prime. Fuck that paper, baby, my face on the dotted line. I've been flying out of town for some peace of mind. It's like always, they just want a peace of mind. I've been focused on the future, never on right now. What I'm sipping, not kombucha, either pink or brown. I'm the one that introduced you to the you right now. Oh my God, that be babe. Well, alright, tryna fight in the night, come alive. Ain't it sneak? Ain't it?
Yeah.
I just made pop my shit, get it live. Hold up, yeah. You try to come around at the shit, they popping your tires. Hold up, shit. 100 round, feeling like I'm on team. Playing both sides of these hoes. Shot out on fucking your friends. I've been going crazy, shot. I've been in the deep end. She not in the scene. She just tryna go. I just been asking my hoes. I just been tripping my hoes. This whole nother level shot. I got these hoes on their toes. I put the bitch on the road. She tryna fuck on the old. I got this hoe with me. She tryna show me something. I got flows for days. Niggas ain't on nothing. Me and my bro like me, you know we on one. We in the spot going crazy until the sun up. You worried about that hoe done chose up. Pistols all in the kitchen, can't get it cold up. What the fuck, these niggas acting like they know it. Double O cat, this shit we told up. Switch out the bag, these niggas get rolled up. Everything hit,
Take it back 1 second. Remember when I had that patience? Why you be so jealous? Ain't seen no congratulations. Hell no, you gotta go too slow. Body's up when I say so. Boy, there's a door, get gone. I ain't gonna follow. It's not my job to make you feel comfortable. First of all, baby, it's not my job if you ain't being vulnerable. It says it all for me. It's not my job to make you feel like the man. Boy, you need to stop. It's not my job to make you something you are not. I'm not the type of girl to wait around. So when you're gonna hurry up, say what's up. Only thing that I ain't got is time. So no, I don't like the way you run your mouth, talking about your man enough for all my love. Boy, this isn't working, I resign. It's not my job to make you feel comfortable, baby. First of all, baby, it's not my job if you ain't being vulnerable. It says it all for me. It's not my job to make you feel like the man. Boy, you need to stop. It's not my job to make you something you are not. Never been my job, never been my occupation. I can do that all by myself for your information.